Let's begin by finding a comfortable position that promotes a gentle state of awareness so that you remain relaxed yet gently alert. You may choose to sit or lie down, whichever feels best for you. You may gently close your eyes. Allow your eyelids to rest. If you'd prefer to keep your eyes open, maintain a soft and relaxed gaze. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold your breath for a few seconds. And then slowly exhale through your mouth, allowing yourself to make a sound if you wish, feeling the vibration of your vocal cords. Let's do it one more time. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale through your mouth. Now let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. And turn your attention to your breathing. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you inhale and exhale. There is no need to change your breathing. Simply observe its natural flow. Bring to mind a memory in which someone said or did something that made you feel truly cared for and loved. It might be a scene that happened recently, or one that occurred a long time ago. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this memory, experiencing the warmth and affection that surrounded you in that moment. If you are unable to recall such a specific memory, that's completely okay. Instead, take a moment to imagine a world where you're fully cared for and loved. Visualize yourself being surrounded by people, or even just one person who truly cares for you and loves you unconditionally. Allow yourself to feel the warmth, support, and tenderness that comes with this kind of care and love. Immerse yourself in this world and let the feelings of being cared for and loved wash over you. Connect to the quality of care and love, and allow these feelings to envelop you completely. As you continue to savor these feelings, gradually let the person in your memory fade away, while still remaining connected to the energy and essence of care and love. Allow yourself to bask in this atmosphere of tenderness and compassion. Now, take a deep, nourishing breath. As you exhale, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Slowly open your eyes and take a few moments to appreciate the feelings of love and care.